Visionaries, welcome back to Planet Venus, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Visionaries, welcome back. For those of you that are new to the planet, this is Absolute Venus, and I share my Merch by Amazon journey, other POD experiences that I've had with Redbubble, Etsy, Spreadshirt, Teespring, whatever, wherever I have a store, and just entrepreneurship in general and making passive income that makes sense for what my background is. And so today is no different, just sharing with you guys something that I've experienced recently, utilizing my experience in e-commerce over the few years that I've been doing it, and my background in marketing, advertising, and business development, and leveraging that to garner my own clients outside of my 9 to 5 and things of that nature. So in this particular video, sharing with you an opportunity that I cultivated about a week and a half ago, and reached out to a prospective client. They were looking for someone who had e-commerce experience, were familiar with POD sites, the research behind those sites. They were essentially looking for the top 100 products across multiple PODs. And so I was kind of consulting them that that kind of research project would take a little bit of time to do across multiple PODs. So they decided to focus specifically on Amazon. And so those of us that are on Merch by Amazon already kind of know what our research process is for specific niches, seeking out the top products. And so products similar, or tools similar to Merchant Former, Unicorn Smasher, all of those varying ones will help us find what the top products in POD are. So why not utilize that and aggregate that information for clients and provide them with a data source, a report for that. So I had been doing that already for individuals like us that were looking to optimize their listings on Merch by Amazon and other PODs. So I've mentioned it before, I do that consultation via Fiverr for individuals and businesses in general. This research project was a little bit different because they were looking into what specific POD products were at the top, and the types of those. So is it pop sockets? Is it t-shirts? Is it long sleeves? What's the earning potential? Is it a market for growth there? Basically seeing when they start their business where they should focus their attention and what niches and amongst what product types would be most profitable. So I executed that project for them. It probably took me maybe 10 solid hours of time to aggregate that, do the appropriate charts, synthesize the data, give some insights, observations in a PDF document, as well as provide them with an Excel spreadsheet and the corresponding charts, graphs, etc., to give them a good idea of where they should focus as they start building out their product line in their store. So provided that to them, and in 10 hours made $1,200 for the project. So you do the math there, that's $120 an hour. So if you don't make that in your daily job or on merch in general, that's definitely something that you should think about, whether it's helping a company focus on particular niches or helping them with their AMS ads. I have videos on here talking about my journey there. I don't have years and years of experience in that, but having the hands-on experience, knowing what works and what's not working, and being able to then work on a little bit larger budgets and increasing from there. Just having that experience in general, or if you have experience utilizing Facebook ads or social media to sell your Merch by Amazon products. Generally, whatever you're gaining from this, let's think about it more as a long-term business, being able to consult with clients instead of selling one-on-one, one-to-one products to end customers. That's a way to diversify something that you're already doing and utilizing that to expand your brand, expand your portfolio. You already have social media where you're selling your products, promoting your products. Why not promote your experience and expertise behind making your product line, your portfolio successful, and replicate that and do that, offer that service to businesses. So whether you're doing advising on local merch as a way for clients to promote their business, or you can help them with their AMS ads, sponsored products, sponsored brands, helping them design their Amazon store, helping them with FBA. Even if you're not experienced in FBA yourself, there are so many videos. There's even a learning area of Merch by Amazon on the Amazon Seller Central and Vendor Central site that will walk you through the intricacies of creating a listing, of developing your SKUs and uploading products in bulk if that is something that you would want to do for your store, or your clients are looking to do that, where you will learn these things and be able to manage their store for them, or advise them on ways to optimize their listings within their store, or reviewing their analytics to see where there may be other opportunities for them to increase their promotions for greater sales, things of that nature. So just thinking with the basis of knowledge that you have now, how can you expand that? There's online courses for these things if you want one-on-one examples, and then work through that, and you can experiment with it and have case studies like I showed you guys in a prior video about one of my products that I launched within a month had 100 sales. So there's varying things that you can do to expand your arsenal. So that's essentially how I made $1,200 in a week, which is going to actually maybe surpass what I earned selling on merch in general, because this month I have currently, by the time you're seeing this video, I will have had about 175, 180 sales, hopefully finishing the month around 200 sales. I've already surpassed my best month, which was actually in January or March of this year versus Q4 December. So I surpassed Q4. I surpassed my best month of the year, and probably the best month of the time that I've been on Merch by Amazon, and will probably end this month around $1,200. So I've basically doubled what I'm going to make for this month in 1 week by doing a consultation and providing a 10-page report and a spreadsheet, so that the business will be better positioned to launch their product line. So these valuable insights that you have, that you're gaining, the toil and time and energy that you're spending on Merch by Amazon to upload these products and get a perspective and learn the market and learn niches and find a way to carve out the most profitable path for you that's helpful to others. You've been through it already. What better person to recommend how a business that's just starting out should move forward, or an existing business that needs help with better positioning their products, their brand, entering different areas, learning about new niches, opportunities there where their products may make sense. Now, all of the clients that may be interested in this information are not focused on POD or apparel or the types of products that we're utilizing, but a lot of the knowledge that we're gaining and is helpful to them is definitely transferable to their product line. So I encourage you definitely to continue to learn and be focused on your own portfolio of products, but then expand your knowledge so that you can utilize that to help others. And the market is out there, e-commerce, many individuals are opening Shopify stores, Etsy stores, all across POD, offering different product lines, interested in getting an FBA. If you have the portals, the platforms open to you, and you already are venturing into these areas, learn this stuff to make your product line successful, but then also to provide this service for others they want. And the barrier to entry is somewhat low because there's not a long learning curve for a lot of this stuff that you could get abreast of and learn pretty quickly and add to your base of knowledge. A lot of the clients that I was seeing that I came across were interested in someone that had at least 1 to 2 years experience in POD or more, and a lot of us have that already just by utilizing Merch by Amazon. If you're newer and you're just getting into it, obviously you're learning your way through it, but again, make sure that as you learn these things, you chronicle them, uh, record them in some kind of way, whether it's written or audio recording or video or whatever it is, and you can utilize these as tutorials, as case studies for others, and build your brand that way as well. You can start a blog on your experience and talk about different ways and things that you navigated through a challenge, and that will be helpful to others. Just like I put out these videos to hear from you guys about what things you're encountering, and we're sharing the information, and I'm sharing best practices to you. Others may be interested in the similar information, but you have a unique perspective that you can offer because you have a different portfolio, a different mindset, a different focus, a different audience. So you have something to bring to the table, and so to keep you motivated to make sure that you're growing your business, your endeavors beyond selling one-off t-shirts, pop sockets, that sort of thing. This is definitely an opportunity for you to capitalize on that and be helpful to others in the process as well. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. You comment below, let me know if it's anything unique that you're doing to expand your POD presence, business, the focus, how you're marketing things, and just keep the dialogue going so that we can share with each other. Look forward to sharing more with you in the coming weeks, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you as always. And if you haven't seen all of the videos yet in my Merch by Amazon playlist and the entrepreneurship playlist, please do take a look at those videos and share those with others. And until next time, be well and peace, family.